So hello friends, welcome back to my new video, and in this video we're gonna see about dictionaries in Python. So let's start the tutorial. So I will create a new file dicto.py. So though the syntax of creating a dictionary is very much simple, you have to create a variable. So we will give a my dict, okay, sorry, my dict, and then you have to simply create a variable, and then you have to use curly braces. Okay, the syntax is same like the sets. If you have saw my previous video in that I have taught you about sets, so the syntax is same. So now if you print the type of my dict, we shall get, wait a second, the terminal is starting. Okay, we got class dict. Okay, so dict means dictionary. So I'll comment this out. Code will be given in description as same. So now the syntax of creating a dictionary is this, and the way to create a dictionary is different. Okay, so now you may know about dictionaries. Okay, so let us see dictionaries. Okay, dictionary, and here let me get an image. Okay, so here you can see there is a very, yes, here surprise. So surprise and the value, surprise is the key and the value is preset. Okay, so what is this words, I don't know. So this was a basic funda to explain you. So now we have to, now there is a value. Okay, so now we have to create a key first. Okay, so create is an key is an actor. Actor will get Tom Holland. Okay, so Tom Holland is our key, and the value of Tom Holland is, we can give Spider-Man. Okay, so let us print the my dict. Now let's check. We got a Tom Holland is Spider-Man. Okay, so now this is been a dictionary. Now this is a one pair. Okay, so it's a one pair. So suppose you have to create a so many pairs. So you have to use commas and then create do enter, and then 1 second. Basically we write in this manner. Okay, so we write in this manner, so it's easy to understand now. So now we have to tiger. Okay, so tiger is an animal. Oh, we got here Tom Holland, Spider-Man, and tiger is animal. So that we will give for Lalit. Sorry, Lalit, and he's a boy. So here you can see, now here you can see we got a red line over here. Okay, so why is this? Because here you can see we had added the comma, we got nothing over here in this line, in this pair, and then you have to add a comma. Okay, so you have to add comma after every pair. Okay, so now we will create something more like, and one thing more, you can create you can add dictionaries. Inside of dictionaries you can add list, tuple, string, integer, boolean data type, and this all stuff. So we will add a string named color equals, not equals, sorry, color, and then we will the syntax of creating list is this, square brackets, and then we will give as black, the red, okay, red, blue, and we will give as string. Okay, so this is done. You can also add tuples. So tuple I will show you. Okay, and then make sure that you put the comma. So the tuple syntax is very much simple. Round brackets, and then inside of this you can type the value. So I'll give something like my tuple. Okay, my tuple, and we'll give some integers. We can give integers and boolean data type. So we will give bool. Here comma is necessary. We will give as bool, and then we will give a boolean data type true. Okay, so this all is okay. So we got a dictionary printed over here. There you can see. So this is dictionaries, how you can access a dictionary's value. Okay, so suppose now you have created a dictionary, and here now you have to print the value of tiger. Okay, so how you can do, you have to use print and then your dictionary's name, and then you have to use square brackets. Okay, so now you have to use double comma, what is that, the up comma, I don't know the name, sorry. And then you have to type the key. Okay, so the key of the tiger animal is tiger. So now if you print my dict, we got animal. Okay, so this is of accessing value. Okay, so it's very much easy. So we will check about len function. Len function is simple, so but the thing that I have to explain you is 6. So it's not giving with the, it's just counting the pairs. Okay, so next we will see accessing items. Okay, so there is a function name get function. So get function is that function. Here we have seen about how you can access any value with the key, with the help of key. So this is the same get function does that work. So I will copy this line and then I will paste it over here. Sorry, I have a mistake copied. So now we will not use this way. You have to use this manner. Like you have to type my dict. Okay, so your dictionary name, and then you have to type dot, and then you have to type get. Okay, so then you have to use round brackets. Inside of this you have to type the key name. So key will live as same tiger, and then we will print tiger. Sorry. Print my dict, and then you have to use tiger. Okay, so we got a tiger. So here you can see no. Okay, so it's not. Wait. It's that only same. Okay, so you have to put this in a variable x equals my dict, and then you have to print x. Okay, so here we got animal. Okay, so this is the same keyword, do that get key, and this is the same. Okay, so this is a function named key function. It will return your dictionary into a list. Check this out. I will not go in deep, the video will be too lengthy. How you can update how you can change the value is, now you have to change the value of tiger, not tiger, we will change the value of Tom Holland Spider-Man to Tom Holland actor. Okay, so I will comment this out. Now next we will see how you can do. Is simple. Here, okay, so we will that do. We will type we will create a variable name x my dict, and then if you type square brackets and Tom Holland, and then after the brackets you have to give the new name. Okay, new new value, character actor. Okay, so actor. Okay, actor. So if we now print, no need to add this in any variable. So now if we print, so here you can see Tom Holland is now changed from Spider-Man to actor, is been fired. Okay, so this is a function name this does the same work for us. Comment this, we'll comment this line only, and we'll 1 second. So now there is a function named update function, so we will use that. Simple, you have to type mydict dot update. Okay, so update function does the same work, it will change any value. So here we will use square round brackets, and then type curly brace, you have to add curly braces, and then inside of this you have to give the name Tom Holland. Okay, so here is the Tom Holland, and inside after this you have to, the syntax is same, you have to give actor. Sorry. So now we print mydict, we got Tom Holland actor. Okay, so this is about changing items, add items. So this is the way to add any items. So how you can add any items is very much simple. The same is like this, but instead of giving the old, means instead of giving the used key, you can create your new key without going and finding that dictionary. So now you have to make a new, we will give flowers. Okay, flowers, and here you can give flowers, we will give as rose. Okay, not more, rose only. So now if we print, where it's called flower, we shall get flower. Okay, we hadn't print, we have to make sure that you print after the function. So now if we will get flower rose. Okay, we got here, and update function is same. Remove items is pop, you check this remove items, it's a challenge. Okay, so there is a delete function also. I will not go to loops, same, next video we will have loops. So how you can copy, how to make a copy. So suppose now you have created a function with all this mydict. Okay, so now you have to use this in your other program. So how you can do, so you can make a new dictionary like this dict, and then you can use this function mydict dot copy. Okay, so you have to type the dictionary that you have to copy, and then if you print, we will not print mydict, we will print this dict. Okay, this dict. So we got the same results somewhere I had printed. Okay, so I will comment this, and then if I print, then we got that the same. So this is all nested dictionary. Okay, so one important stuff that you know to need is you can create dictionaries inside of dictionaries. Okay, so we will create here new dictionary, nest equals nested dictionary, nested dict. Okay, nested dictionary. Okay, so you will create that only, you will give square brackets, and now dictionary is been created. So now there is, instead of nest we will give family. Okay, so family is here a function, so we give my family. Okay, so now there is child one. Okay, so first child, oh sorry, I have to use commas, child one. Okay, so child one is, so now you have to give the information of child one. So inside of this you can create a one more dictionary that will give this name, you will give name equals, and then we will give as name Emily. Okay, Emily, born year, okay, years. She is 12 years old. We'll leave this in integer. If you get background noise, then please ignore. Sorry for the background noises. So make sure that you put commas, and this we will do for 2 childs only, not more, because I don't want to make this video lengthy. So I will copy this same. No time waste should be done. Time is very much important. We'll give child 2 and make sure that you put the comma over here. Okay, so yes, comma over here, and then child 2 name we will give Maddie. Okay, Maddie, and he is 10 years old. So now if we print, my family, so we got here inside of this how you can access the same. Okay, so dictionary methods, these are the functions, the basic function that we shall know. Dictionary exercise, comment me down in the below if you want exercises then. So how did you like the video? Comment me down in the below and follow me on my Instagram. Check out my GitHub. I've created awesome projects. So bye friends.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder, cause they treat me like an outcast.